Taruna and I'm the Vice President of Welfare. Did you know you can access career support 3 years after you graduate? As you come to the end of your time at Westminster, the Careers and Employability Services want to help you decide on your options going forward. No matter what subject you study, the sector you wish to enter, or the career planning stage you're at, for example, looking for work or thinking about further studies, the Careers team is here to help you and guide you with your next steps. The Careers and Employability Services provide you with a wide range of support and resources 3 years after you graduate. A 20 or 45 career appointment with our career consultants to help you write your CV, cover letter and job applications, job search and prepare for your interview. Book your appointment via Engage Employability. Access Graduate Success Series workshops where exciting speakers share their knowledge and advice on topics to help you boost your employability and personal development. Access to the latest graduate job, internships, volunteering opportunities, and online careers resources via Engage Employability and external platforms. 18 months after graduation, you will be guided to re-register on Engage homepage by clicking on the Alumni Sign-In and Registration button. Once you have an account, you will be able to book appointments and events via Engage as an alumni. Look at the early career support for graduates page on the university's website to find out more about the services we provide and everything that you can access as a Westminster graduate. Don't forget, the Careers team is here to help you start your career journey even after you graduate. So let's embark on your career journey together.